Jew. So Mohamed Hijab, the Philosopher, the Mutafalsifa and the Jahmiyyah, laying the foundations for the deen of the philosophers and the Jahmites. Part 3. So the oneness, composition, ila akhiri. In the second part of this series, we cited from Ibn al-Qayyim, who died 751 Hijri, who outlined the route of the Mutafalsifa in arriving at the existence of a being with a necessary existence, wajib al-wujub, through the argument that it is not composite, murakkab, and cannot have parts, ajza', otherwise it would be in need, and thus only have a possible existence. This route lays the foundations to those who devised it for describing this necessary being as not a jism, which means immaterial, incorporeal, and without parts, and so on, which is the language of the misguided, wandering strayers who are far away from the revealed books and sent messengers. It is not the language of the prophets and their followers.
We've already mentioned that, my brothers and sisters. We've already explained that the speech of Mohamed Hijab, may Allah give him tawfiq and all of us, is not the speech that he's utilizing, is not the speech of the Qur'an and the Sunnah. And our target, our objective goal should not be just to refute someone. The author, Abu Iyad, is going to mention a name of someone. I will explain to you why he was called by that name. Or I'll explain now, Ibn Kullab. Ibn Kullab, the reason it was called Ibn Kullab, the son of the, he's like a hook. Basically, he's a hook. Because he was very good at debating. He was very, very good at debating. However, he had an aqeedah that was misguided aqeedah. He agreed with some stuff with the Salaf, but he invented other things. So at debating, he will convince you about his battle. But that did not stop. That did not stop the A'immat Ahl Sunnati wal Jama'ah to refute him and clarify the truth and the misguidance. To clarify the truth on one hand, that he's opposing, and the misguidance that he's fallen into. They didn't say, MashaAllah, look at him, he's a debater. Look how he speaks. Look how eloquent he is. They didn't say that. Even though he was known for it, Ibn Kullab, when he comes, he put in a hook, basically, when he speaks. However, the Salaf and the A'immat al-Sunnah, they didn't get deceived by that, because he was good at debating. Barakallahu fikum. So it's about the Qur'an, the Sunnah. Is this person using the speech of the Qur'an, the Sunnah, the speech of the Salaf, the speech of A'immat al-Sunnah wal Jama'ah, or he's utilizing the speech of the philosophers, who are the reason for some Muslims to be misguided and cause a fitna into the ummah.